I tell people when we talk about how this whole thing started, I go back to the movie Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. And we kind of did this at the insistence of one customer, and it's now blossomed into more potential customers that are wanting us to do work for them.
As of last year, we started doing our own machine work in-house, offering our customers contract manufacturing as a one-stop shop. So customers come to us with something they need machined, as well as painted or processed, and we can do all that in-house here. The successes from the first two machines and integration into our shop worked so well. Within the first 3 months we were operating with both machines, based on our high production volume runs, we decided that we were going to purchase another spindle, and we chose the VF2SS with the VBX-160, which is made by AWR. This essentially gives us the capacity of 3 machines to run 24 hours a day, and it's really made our high volume, high production runs a lot easier. What's great about these two is that our local HFO already had married the 2 machines together. So they were actually already integrated, came in here, it was ready to go. Within a day, they had it up and running parts that we needed to run.
It's truly been a great relationship that we've had with Haas in this process. And I don't know if we could have done this with another machine supplier. I don't know if they would have been as supportive to our needs. And they've kind of fostered the whole startup and, from concept to where we are today.
What made this great is it came already programmed. The robot knows the moves that it's supposed to make because out of the factory from Ohio, it comes ready to make parts. It knows the machine movements. It's programmed where to pick up that stock, where to flip it over. And knowing that, I wasn't gonna have to teach it or use programming or learn a whole new language. It came ready, it came plug and play, it's modular, and I can run multiple jobs at once on that. We currently are running with 1 robot, 1 machine. What we used to run with 2 spindles in 2 weeks, we run in 1 week with 1 spindle. So the ROI has been incredible. I try to tell everybody who's been in machining for, decades, you gotta look at a robot. It's hard to make that transition for people who haven't had one. But as soon as you see the ROI, when that thing enters your shop, it's incredible. It really is. Future plans are, we've already gone out and purchased a VF-2SS YT. We're very excited about this. It gives us larger machining capacity, as we've had other customers ask for larger parts. So we're really looking forward to that, as well as the addition of 2 more VBX robot cabinet machines to load those spindles. I can't say enough about the support that we've received. People at corporate in Oxnard to people here in Torrance, they have helped us through every step of the way. And as far as I'm concerned, we'll never buy a different machine. It'll be a Haas shop here on out.